Hello and welcome to part 4 of this new video lesson series by Istanbul Mehmet Cymbals with me, Will Wainwright. Today we're going to be carrying on from where we left off last time with developing this linear groove. Okay, we're going to go a little bit deeper this time, try a few different ideas and go from there, okay? So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, in example 1, we're just going to be playing beat 4. And what I mean by that is we're going to play the groove as normal, but then when we get to beat 4, we're just going to play the 4. We're going to bring our right hand down. I know it's on the snare, so you could play it with the left and keep your hands in those positions, but we're going to bring that right hand down, play it with the right hand, and that's it. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. Let's have a go. Okay, in example 2, we're going to move that right hand on beat 4 around the kit a little bit. Nothing too crazy. We're going to stick mostly with the drums today. So we're going to go first bar is snare, second bar we're going to go up to the first tom, then next bar back to the snare, and then the final bar to the floor tom. It's just trying to get that right hand free and able to move around a little bit more, okay? Here we go. In example 3, we've added in another 8th note on the and of 4. So we're now playing 4 and. Ideally, let's play that right-left for now, okay? And warm that one up. Here we go. In example 4, we're going to move that around the kit a little bit, just like we did in example 2. We're just going to be moving that right hand, okay? So that left hand on the and of 4, we're actually going to keep that on the snare drum for now. Yes, you could move both hands up to the rack tom or to the floor tom or wherever you want. Yes, we could move just the left hand at the end, underneath or over the top or cross over, but I want to keep things simple, okay? The idea with this isn't to come up with the hardest or most interesting or whatever variations. It's simply to get us used to developing ideas. Because I see so many people that aren't comfortable moving a pattern around a kit. When I say, right, come up with your own version, they're like, and have no idea what to do. So this is a great way of kind of breaking that down, okay? Right, here we go. Wonderful. In example 5, we've just kind of got a collection of the ones we've been looking at. So we've got 4-ander, 4 and 4-ander. I've kept them mostly groove-based, you'll see. So we've not got any toms in there. Yes, you can use them, but I've kept it as hi-hat, snare and bass, okay? As you hear in those faster speeds, it does work quite nicely in the sort of drum and bass vibe. But see how you go, okay? This will go, especially because of the nature of the linear, it's a lot easier to play faster, so you will find that you can play this faster if you'd like. Okay, here we go. Wonderful. I hope you enjoyed that. Okay, so I know a lot of people find developing an idea really tough, you know, when their teacher gives them something to work on or they see a video on YouTube and they try and play it. often that's as far as their brain goes. So this is meant to just give you a little window. We're not doing a lot, are we? We're just a little bit of a window of what we could do with, say, just beat 4. And again, we've not changed the subdivisions crazily. We've got no 30-second notes, got no 16th note triplets. That could sound really nice. No 8th note triplets, no mixed subdivisions where we may be going 4 and-er. I've kept it really simple. It's either 4 or 4 and or 4 E and. It's either quarter notes, 8th notes or 16th notes, and it's all single strokes. We haven't done any double strokes, you know, paradiddles, other phrasings that can really open up more options. So it's just more of an introduction for you, so you can hopefully feel a little bit more confident changing up grooves. Start off small, and then the more we do, the more we can really change up an idea and evolve it fully. Okay, join me next time for something completely different. Okay, but until then, take care. Bye.